If I lost my phone today and my laptop got wiped, there are only 4 tools I'd make sure I got back first. Not because they are fancy, not because they are trendy, but because these 4 tools keeps my business organized, predictable, and actually manageable day to day. If you're an entrepreneur doing most things yourself, having the right systems can genuinely change how stressed or calm you feel running your business. Today I'm breaking down the exact 4 tools I personally use to stay organized and operate efficiently. Let's dive in. In this video, I'm teaming up with Revolut Business. I only work again with tools I actually use in my business. And this is of course not business or personal finance advice, remember that. Alright, let's dive into it. What's good guys, as always, welcome back to the channel. I'm Yoma. In this video, I'm walking you through the tools I personally use to help me manage my business more efficiently, manage multiple projects on top of that, and as well manage my global team in different time zones, clients, suppliers, and admin, and the day-to-day operations of my business. This is in theory or a perfect setup. This is what we actually use week in and week out. Tool number 1, and honestly the backbone, is Notion. Notion is where our business information lives. We use it to store internal documentation, processes and workflows, contract and supplier details, onboarding guides, task database, links, briefs, and checklists, of course. The key thing is consistency. We don't open Notion when we remember, we update it every single day. And the thing about Notion, I'll probably open Notion personally more than something on Instagram, more than something like WhatsApp for instance. I use Notion so frequently that it has become my brain, because once information lives in a system instead of your head, decision making becomes easier, mistakes drop fast, and I mean really fast from our perspective. If you're running a business without a central place for your systems, things tend to feel chaotic very quickly. Now, tool number 2 is Revolut Business. I use Revolut Business to manage the financial side of my company, especially because we work internationally. A big challenge for us used to be currency conversions. We receive payments in different currencies, particularly dollars. I mean, we receive 90% of our income in dollars, and many traditional business accounts automatically convert that money straight away, often with unnecessary fees. But with Revolut Business, we can receive money in USD, keep it in a USD balance, and pay suppliers or team members directly from their balance. For our specific setup, this has helped reduce friction and cut down avoidable conversion costs. Last year for our business, this saved us a few £1,000s in fees, money we'd rather put back into the operations and growth of the business. If you run an online or international business and deal with multiple currency, it's worth exploring a setup like this to see if it can benefit you as well. Revolut Business is also offering a £200 welcome bonus when you sign up and add money to your account by the end of March. And of course, terms, eligibility and subscription fees apply. You can scan the QR code popping up on my screen right now, or use the link in the top part of my description to learn more. With that said, let's go into tool number 3, which is Todoist. This is where execution happens. Notion is for systems, Todoist is for action. Every day I use it to track priorities, deadlines, tasks that actually move things forward. The goal isn't perfection as always, it's consistency. When tasks live in a system instead of your head, you stop relying on motivation and start relying on structure. And structure, from my experience, makes progress far more predictable than not having structure. Tool number 4 is Slack. This is how we communicate across different teams, different projects, different time zones. Instead of endless emails or scattered messages, everything lives in organized channels and threads. Clear communication reduces confusion. Less confusion means faster execution, and faster execution makes the business easier to manage from my perspective once again. So here's the reality, none of these tools work alone. They each play a role: Notion, organization and systems, Revolut Business, financial management, Todoist, execution, Slack, communication. When those areas are structured, running a business feels less overwhelming. Before I had systems like this in place, things felt reactive and disorganized. I was stressed, blood pressure all over the place. But now with this system in place, I'm far more organized. The biggest change wasn't working harder, it was building a better structure, again from my perspective. Listen, if you're trying to improve how you run your business, don't overhaul everything at once. Pick one tool at a time, implement it properly and build from there. And if you want to check out Revolut Business, once again, the link in the description will take you straight away to the page, including the details on the £200 welcome bonus. In this video, I'll break down the 4 tools I personally use to manage my business operations day to day. See, running a business doesn't need to be chaotic. With the right systems in place, you can stay organized, communicate clearly, and focus on the work that actually matters for your business. Anyways, it's time for me to round up this video. I do hope you found this video helpful and useful. If you did, you know exactly what you need to do. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and more importantly, tap the notification bell. I'll see you on the next video, where we are of course going to be talking about more business, finance, and entrepreneurship like we always do. Take care now. Bye bye.